Good morning, first PC students. Today, the very important topic, compulsory 3 marks question, derivatives of functions by using first principle. Derivative of functions by using first principle. First, trigonometric functions derivatives by using first principle. Very important one, compulsory question. Find the derivative of trigonometric functions. Find the derivative of functions. Find the derivative of functions. Find the derivative of functions by using first principle. By using first principle. This is the very important 3 marks question. Very important 3 marks question. First, sin x. First one, sin x. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is direct derivative cos x. So, by using the first principle also, answer is same, but any you have to do any method, but final result is same, but procedure is different. So, solution, listen carefully, very important. Given f of x is equal to sin x. Clear? Next, f of x plus h is equal to, first one, the given function taken f of x. After that you have to find out f of x plus h. F of x plus h is equal to what? F of x, x. F of x plus means x badalu x plus h instead of sin x plus h. F of x is equal to sin x. F of x plus h is equal to sin of x plus. For example, f of 10. F of x is equal to sin x. F of 10 sin 10. F of 45 degrees. F of 45 degrees is equal to sin of x. X badalu that value. Sin of 45 degrees equal to 1 by root 2. F of 90 degrees is equal to sin 90 degrees. F of 90 degrees is equal to sin of 90 degrees. Okay. F dash of x is equal to formula. F dash of x is equal to formula. Limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. F of x plus h minus f of x by h. Now, limit h tends to 0. F of x plus h is equal to, substitute f of x plus value sin of x plus h minus f of x is equal to sin x by h. 1 mark. Okay. Formula and substitution 1 mark. Remaining 1 mark apply. Answer 3rd mark. So, in the trigonometry formula, sin x minus sin y. In the trigonometry formula, sin x minus sin y is equal to, sin x minus sin y is equal to, what is the formula? 2 sin in between minus. Sin in between minus means first will come minus, first cos x plus y by 2 into next sin x minus y by 2. Sin in between plus. Sin in between plus means first cos after sin. First sin after cos plus. Sin in between plus means two same. First sin, next cos. Sign in between minus, first cos, next sine. Okay, here what is x? This is x, this is y, x plus y. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 to cos x plus y by 2. What is x? X is equal to x plus h plus y plus x by 2, x plus h, x plus y by 2 into sine x minus y by 2. X means x plus h, y means x minus x by 2 by h comma, same as this h. So 2 is a constant, separate from the limit h tends to 0, x plus x, 2x plus h by 2, separate from the limits. So into x cancel, x cancel, sine h by 2, totally by h same, h same. Okay, clear? Next one. So that is equal to two functions, separate the limit of x tends to a. Algebraic limits are properties of limits. Limit x tends to a, f of x into g of x is equal to limit x tends to a, f of x into limit x tends to a, g of x. Two functions or three functions, two or more functions separated by the limits from into limit h tends to 0 cos x plus x, 2x plus h by 2 into again limit h tends to 0 sine h by 2 is nothing but 1 by 2 into h by 2, 1 by 2 h by 2, h by 2 is equal to 1 by 2 into h by h. E h a into b, okay, by h only in sine, under the sine, okay, the h not under the h cos, only the h value is only under the sine function, because sine h, this by h is taken in the sine. So why? Because h under the sine, because sine x by x, limit x tends to 0, sine x by x is equal to 1, limit x tends to 0, sine mx by x is equal to m is a formula. So there is no cos have any formula, don't have any formula cos, only sine have formula, sine tan have formula, cos do not have the formula. So that's why the by h taken under the sine. Okay, so apply the limits directly. So that is equal to 2 into cos 2x plus 0, h tends to 0, h tends to 0 is nothing but what? H is equal to 0. So substitute h is equal to 0, 2x plus h value 0 by 2 into 1 by 2, 1 by cancel because of formula. Which formula? Sine limit x tends to 0, sine mx by x is equal to m formula. So here limit x tends to 0, here x means what? H tends to 0, sine m h by h. What is m? 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is m, e2 to cancel, e2 to cancel. So that is equal to cos xo, this one. What is the derivative of sin x? Derivative of sin x is what? Cos x, simple. Okay, next one. The second one is f of x is equal to cos x. Now f of x plus h is equal to, next one no, second one no, cos x. F of x solution, f of x is equal to cos x. F of x plus h is equal to cos of x plus h. Okay. What is the formula? F dash of x is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h minus f of x by h. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0 f of x plus h is equal to cos of x plus h minus f of x is equal to cos x by h. What is the formula? Trigonometry formula. Cos x minus cos y. Cos in between minus. Cos in between minus is equal to minus 2. So sin x plus y by 2. Again sin x minus y by 2. Cos in between minus means both are signs and negative. Cos in between plus, trigonometry formula, both are causes, plus both are causes. So next one, so that is equal to limit h tends to 0 cos x minus cos y is equal to minus 2 sin x plus y by 2. What is x? This is xy. X plus h plus x by 2 into again sin x plus h minus x by 2 totally by h. So that is equal to limit h tends to 0, the negative minus 2 separate from the limit h tends to 0 sin x plus x 2x plus h by 2 into sin xx cancel h by 2 by h. So separate the limits. Minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin 2x plus h by 2 into limit h tends to 0 sin h by 2 means 1 by 2 into h by h. This denominator h goes to the put into the second sign under. So that is equal to minus 2 into limit h tends to 0 means apply the h value 0, 2 sin 2x plus h value is what? H tends to 0 means h is equal to 0 by 2. This is into 1 by 2 because same formula sin mx by x is equal to m. The 2 cancel and again 2 cancel. So minus sin x. What is the derivative of cos x? Derivative of sin x is equal to cos x. Okay. What is the derivative of cos x? Direct formula minus sin x. Derivative of sin x is equal to minus sin x. F dash of x is equal to minus sin x. Okay. Clear? This one. Okay. Tomorrow I will discuss the tan x and the cot x.